On the day of Christmas, members of right-wing group in Agra burned the effigy of Santa Claus. A group of members of right-wing outfit Rashtriya Bajrang Dal gathered in Agra today and shouted slogans against the Santa Claus. They also gave slogans of Santa Claus Murdabad. One of the protesting members was seen repeatedly slapping the effigy of Santa Claus, and later the effigy was burnt by them. According to a Dainik Bhaskar report, the protesting members said that Santa Claus does not come to give gifts but to convert. They also threatened to go to hotels on New Year and Christmas to oppose the parties. This move of Hindutva leaders has been condemned by the Christian community. Reportedly, activists of Rashtriya Bajrang Dal and International Hindu Council on Wednesday objected to dressing Hindu children in missionary schools as Santa Claus. They handed over a memorandum in this regard to the DM. The effigy of Santa Claus was then blown up at St. John's Square. The right-wing groups allege that Christian missionaries are engaged in conversion. According to reports, they said that when Hindu children go to school with a tika on their forehead and kalava on their wrist, they are scolded, but they are dressed as Santa Claus on Christmas, setting a fire of conversion in their minds. During the demonstration, the activists chanted slogans of Santa Claus Hi Hi and Jai Shri Ram. Ajju Chauhan, General Minister of the International Hindu Council, said that the way in which small children are being made Santa Claus and are made to lean towards Christianity, Hindus should keep in mind that Santa Claus does not come to give any gifts. His only goal is to convert only Hindus, and the children who do not do so, they are punished by Christian missionaries in their schools. Ajju Chauhan also said that such behavior is not going to work anymore. No attempt at conversion will be allowed to succeed. If this is not accepted, then demonstration will start in front of schools and hotels. The workers have been informed that if anyone is found doing this, the team will punish them. Settlements and villages will also be monitored. However, reacting to the incident, several on Twitter slammed the right-wing group's action. There was outrage all across Twitter against the action of the Rashtriya Bajrang Dal members. Moreover, the Agra police has also taken action in this regard and has promised that appropriate action will be taken against them.
देखिए, दिसंबर का महीना आता है, ईसाई मिशनरियां इस देश में सक्रिय हो जाती हैं। कभी सेंटा क्लॉज के नाम पर, कभी क्रिसमस के नाम पर, कभी नए साल के नाम पर ये लोग छोटे छोटे बच्चों को बहलाते फुसलाते हैं और उनको धीरे धीरे ईसाइयत की ओर धकेलने का प्रयास करते हैं। राष्ट्रीय बजरंग दल कतई से बर्दाश्त नहीं करेगा। सेंटा क्लॉज कोई गिफ्ट लेके नहीं आता है, सेंटा क्लॉज हमेशा धर्मांतर कराने आता है। तो हम लोगों को भी सावधान रहना चाहिए और सेंटा क्लॉज का और क्रिसमस का हम लोग पुरजोर विरोध करते हैं। देश में हिंदुत्व चलेगा, कोई ईसाइयत नहीं चलेगी।